Ever wondered how to remove image backgrounds in Canva without upgrading to the paid version? Today, I'll show you a quick and simple way to get professional-looking results, all using free tools. Let's get started. Today, we're tackling a question I get all the time. People asking me for free options for paid Canva tools. For example, how do I remove backgrounds in Canva for free? You've got an image you love, but that background's gotta go, right? Normally, if you're on a paid Canva account, you just use their background remover button. But what if you're working with the free version? If I were in my paid account, there would be no problem, because background remover is amazing. But if I'm using a free Canva account and I don't want to go somewhere else, what should I do? Here's what I would suggest. Whenever you have problems like that, always go to the apps area to look for solutions. This is where Canva groups all its secret tools, so when you run into an issue, check there first. Look for background eraser apps. Since there are a few options, I'll test them out to see which one performs the best. First up, the standard background eraser. I'll upload my image and click Remove Background. Nope, it's not perfect. Some edges are still visible. Not bad, but could be better. Let's try clear background. I upload the same image, and again, it leaves some background pieces behind. This one's about the same as the other one. Let's keep going. Time to test out the third option. I upload the same image, click Erase Background, and drum roll, please. This one nails it. The edges are cleaner, and we finally have a winner. So, after trying 3 different apps, I found the best free background remover inside Canva. At least for this image. You don't need to leave Canva or pay extra. Just head to the Apps tab and test out options to see what might work best for your project. Want more tutorials like this? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.